Welcome to the channel. I'm Ashley. I'm a registered nurse and also a travel agent. My goal for this channel is to help all you first-time cruisers get your questions answered. So engage in the community, ask the questions. I remember what it was like going on my first cruise and how overwhelming it was. And honestly, if you're like myself, I didn't even know what questions to ask. So that's what my channel is here for. Subscribe, follow along. You'll get all your questions answered. I also do some ship tours and cruise reviews. So make sure that you are following along, because if you're a first-time cruiser and you have questions, ask in the community tab. I answer all the questions. Also, you can email me if you want, ashley@thecruisingnursetravel.com. I am also a travel agent, so if you'd like help booking your first cruise or your next cruise, just send me an email. Also, I'll link my free cruise packing list in the link in the description as well, if you want to pick that up. I really hope you enjoyed the channel. Follow along. I hope these first-time cruiser tips are going to help you make your first cruise or your next cruise amazing.